Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the DLP Mini Projector and confirming basic readiness. First, plug in the adapter or ensure battery shows charge. Batteries can be low even when it looks okay. Once done, position the unit 1 to 3 meters from your screen or wall. This controls image size. Make sure your source device is ready with content and proper cable or dongle. Connect power first, then move to input selection so the projector initializes cleanly and avoids input conflicts. You now connect and configure the image. Plug HDMI or USB-C or enable the projector's Wi-Fi mirroring and accept the connection on your device. This avoids lag. Next, use the focus ring and keystone correction to straighten and sharpen the picture. Small turns make big differences. Then set brightness and picture mode. Lower brightness reduces fan noise and extends battery. Make sure sound is routed correctly. Internal speaker or Bluetooth/line out to external speaker. You finish by starting playback and verifying the image matches your intent. Once content plays, confirm aspect ratio. Choose 16:9 for videos or original ratio for slides, and adjust zoom if available. Secure the projector on a stable surface or tripod to avoid accidental shifts during playback. If things go wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Restart the projector and reconnect the input cable or wireless link. Then recheck power and firmware notifications. Most connection hiccups clear with a quick reboot and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.